Hey there, Dev Dynamos community. Welcome to very first episode of our new series AWS Complete with ChatGPT. I am Asif Khan and I am super excited to help you there as we deep dive into a world of AWS, converting everything from basic setup to advanced configurations, all with the help of ChatGPT. Uh, Today we will kicking things off by securing your website with AWS Certification Manager and a GoDaddy domain. Uh, so without further ado, let's get started on episode 1 setting up ACM certificate with GoDaddy domain. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more AWS content. Let's dive in. So guys, I was in my ChatGPT. Here I have given one prompt how to create AWS Amazon Cloud with AWS Certification Manager with GoDaddy domain. As my domain name I have given here and some start subdomain. Okay, provide the short steps I have given here. So what it has given all the steps. By following these steps, we will create our AWS. Okay, first login into AWS console and navigate to ACM. uh, in the second step, it has given as request a new certificate. Click on OK. So request a public certificate. Next, third step, it has given add domain names. Okay. So the domain name we have to add and click on next. After that, select the validation DNS and recommend easy to use. Click on next. Okay. So these four steps first we will complete now. So for that, I will open my AWS account. So guys, you can see I have opened my AWS account and I have navigated to AWS Certification Manager. I will click on as it has given request a certificate. Okay, I have done the same thing. Request a public certificate as in the prompt has given. Click on next. Full qualified domain. So our domain name is devdynamo ak.live. Okay, so I have given that and add another. So the same thing I will copy with the star I will give. Okay, star is nothing but it has given for subdomains. Okay, so I will make the all the things default and I will request it. So guys, as you can see, I have navigated to this thing and it has given some ARN and pending validation is there. And for this, he has given CNAMEs. So we have to copy the CNAMEs with key and value. Okay, the CNAME name and it is a value. So we have to copy and paste in our government domain provider. Okay, and after that, the pending will be successful. Okay, let's navigate to our GoDaddy account now. So you can see I was in my GoDaddy account and I will navigate to my products and DNS management. Okay. So this is my domain, devdynamoak.live. I will click on DNS. So guys, this is my domain and here is the in the inside we have DNS records here and we can add from here. So if I will go to ChatGPT, what it is saying and the next step, add tags. This complete we have completed already. Review and confirm. This also we have done. Next, add DNS record to GoDaddy. So this we have to add. Okay. In AWS CM console, you will see CNAME records validate login to your GoDaddy. Okay. Go to your DNS settings and domain. Okay, add the CNAME, so whatever it has provided. Okay, the two name we have got that we have to write. Okay, while wait for DNS propagation. DNS validation use take a few minutes but may take 24 hours. Okay, so it has saying, and once the DNS records are validated, AWS will issue a certificate. Okay, so let's go to GoDaddy now. So guys, now I will select here C record. Inside this C record, I will copy and paste the mm, CNAME from here in the AWS from AWS. Okay, so I'll copy this and I will go to GoDaddy now, and in the name I will paste this and this I will remove. Okay, at last whatever the domain name there, we have to remove this. Okay, from the name. Also, come here my AWS account and I will copy the CNAME value and I will paste it here. Okay, and next I will click on custom TCL and I will give here 600 and save it. It is updating. So it has successfully updated. So you can see here CNAME, this CNAME we have added successfully. So I will go to our account now, AWS account, and let us refresh it. So let us wait. This pending will be issued. Okay. So guys, as you can see, after 5 minutes, I have got the certification as successfully. Congrats to all of you. And in this way, we can implement AWS Secret Manager with ChatGPT. So guys, thanks for watching this episode on AWS Certification Manager with ChatGPT. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on more AWS content and tutorials. So feel free to share this video with your friends and fellow developers. Let's grow our tech community together.